Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So quite easy, we're just playing a B power chord, to a G power chord, to an A, back to the B, and slide down, then repeat B, G, A, and then the B there. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're just starting on the 9 on the G, 10 on the B, play it, come in with your bar. Then we're playing an F sharp power chord, mute it, and then go to G's. Go to an A, to a B. Do that again, F sharp, mute to G, then hold the A. Now while guitar 1's holding the A, we have this little fill on guitar 2. So we're just doing E string, 10, pull off the 9, to the B, 10. Do that again, 10, pull off the 9 on the E, 10 B, 9 G, go back to 6 on the G, then just play an octave chord, 2 on the A, 4 on the G. Then we continue, let's play the next little fill for you. So we're just playing the B power chord, then jump to the 3rd fret on the B string, play it, play the 2nd fret, hammer onto the 3rd fret, pull off to the 2nd fret. Then play 4 on the G, pull off the 2, 4 D, 2 on the A, so we have. Then go back to our F sharp, palm mute, and 2 on the G, to A and B, back to the F sharp, to G, to A. So the last little part, F sharp, G to our A. Then guitar 2 does our little fill while we're holding the A, it's slightly different. So we still have the E, 10, pull off the 9, 10 B, back to E, 10, pull off the 9, B, 10, G, 9, then jump to 12 on the E, and play it again there, just before the chorus. And they're all the parts of the first verse. So guitar 1, we're just playing the A string, 2, 4, 5, back to 3 on the E. Back to the A, 4, 5, open, 4, 5, 2. And we do that 3 times. 3 times, and then we'll start again, A, 2, 4, 5, 3 on the E, back to the A, 4, 5, open. And then we have our little fill again. And then just back to the 6. So E, 10, pull off the 9, 10 B, E, 10, pull off the 9, B, 10, 9 on the G, 6 on the G. And that's our chorus there. So for our second verse, it's the same as the last part of our first verse. So we've ended the little solo from the chorus on the octave chord 2 A 4 G. Then we do that little fill on the B again. Then we do the F sharp, mute G, G, A, B, F sharp, G to the A, and the fill stays the same. We've got our to the 12. Play it again, and then we're going to bend the 12. So the only difference there is that end bend on the 12, and that's our second verse there. Then we have our next chorus, and the only change here is we play the first part 7 times instead of 3. So our Do that 7 times and then end the same. 2, 4, 5, 3 on the E, back to A, 4, 5, open. Then we have the little fill again. This changes slightly. 10, pull off the 9 on the E, 10 on the B, 10, pull off the 9 on the E, 10 on the B, 9 on the G, 6 on the G, then just do 2, slide to 4 on the G. And there are all the parts to the next chorus. So guitar 1 for our bridge, we're just playing the 2nd fret on the A string to a palm mute, then 3, another 3, another 3, then just pinch the 4th fret on the G string with a pinched harmonic. Then the next time we just don't play the first 2, just go back to our groups of 3s again. So 2nd fret A, 3 times, and then the pinched harmonic again on the 4th fret on the G. Do that 6 times, and then the 7th time we just leave out the pinched harmonic. So we're going back to the 2nd fret on the A, and that's guitar 1. So for guitar 2, I'll just talk you through. It's pretty easy. We're just doing 2 mutes, then the B to the G, then do 3 mutes. A, B, 3 mutes, and then we start again. Back to the B, G, 3 mutes, A to B. And that's guitar 2 for our bridge. And there are all the parts to the bridge. So let's have a look at our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. It's pretty easy, I'll just talk you through it. We have the B, power chord G to A to B, and do that 3 times. And the 4th time, play the B, G, then on the A string, go 4, 5, back to A. So that last one. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So for our next verse, we're just building up on the B power chord at the end. So just 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and guitar 2 is just playing E string, 12, 10, 9 to B, 10, slide to 12. And that's that last verse there. So for our outro chorus, we're just playing the same riff as our chorus. A string, 2, 4, 5, 3 on the E, back to A, 4, 5, open, 4, 5, 2. And just keep repeating that till the end. They're all our rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're starting with harmonics. Play the 7th fret B, 7th fret E, back to 7th fret B, 5th fret on the G, then play it again and jump to the B string, 8 bend, stay on the B, 7, pull off to 5, back to 7. Do our harmonics again, 7B, 7E, 7B, 5G, play the 5 again, this time bend the 7G, play 7, 6, 4. Then we're going to jump to the B string, do 3, pull off to the open with the bar in and let it come out. Do that 3 times. Then just play the open G with the bar, 2nd fret G, 4 on the D. Then we have this little run, start on the D string, 9, 7, 9, 7 on the G, back to D, 9, 7, G. Then G, 9, 7, 9, B, 7, G, 9, back to B, 7, 10, 7, 10 on the B, then to finish off E, 10, 9, 7, 10 on the B, bend the 9 on the G, then just play 9, 7, 6, and come in with your bar and 4 there. and that's all the parts of the song. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. The hardest part is the night. Guitar lesson by Bon Jovi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.